Check out this 2004 Volvo S60. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Better gas mileage means better long-term driving, and this ride delivers with a great low fuel consumption rate. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Call today to schedule a test drive.